Welcome back, everybody, to Ultimate CNFT. Mr. Ultimate here today, and we're going to be talking about my favorite cryptocurrency. This is the little article from today. It is April 10th, 2023. Let's check it out. Cardano ADA whales go on an accumulation spree. What? Let's get into it. Whales have accumulated 560 million ADA in the past 2 weeks. Wow. Over the years, the Cardano ecosystem has come under significant criticism for continued delays and network updates, but ADA whales remain unfettered. Okay, somebody update this guy, because you know what? We are starting to tick off some of those marks, and we have been for quite some time, and we still got a long way to go. We know Cardano is going to be the big show at the end of the day. In fact, the top whales have been amassing ADA even as the tokens struggle to break above the crucial resistance mark of 40 cents. Now, macroeconomically, we are in a downturn, but of course, crypto now is starting to wake up with the rattling of the cages of the US dollar starting to slip a little bit. You know what? Maybe being invested in crypto is not a bad idea. This is not financial advice, but you know what? I got some financial advice for you. Hold on to some ADA and hold on to some silver, because you know what? I think we're both about to do some really good things here. So more gains for ADA. According to on-chain data shared by crypto analyst and trader, that guy, ADA whales are on accumulation spree over the past 2 weeks. During this period, this cohort token holders holding over 100 million to 1 billion ADA has managed to scoop up 560 million ADA, worth around $218.4 million. Not too bad, huh? Cardano's price trajectory for one has improved since the beginning of the year, pushing its YTD gains 56% up from 0.25 cents. Remember those days, guys? That was some sad times there, but you know what? We always knew, that we'd bounce back because the cream rises to the top. 2, the press time release of 39 cents. The token was up nearly 26% in the last month alone, despite a major down draw in the second week of March. The launch of Cardano's native DEGAI stablecoin played a major role in the improved investor sentiment. Following the launch, ADA's volume in whale transactions saw a sudden spike. Such an abrupt activity tends to dwindle easily, but whale activity has defied the norm and instead remained steady at high volumes because these whales know what's coming. Cardano, let's go. Come on now. As the broader market recovered later in the part of March, the accumulation picked up pace as well. A persistent high whale activity signal increased utility for transactions. It is hence a bullish sentiment that could possibly bolster investor confidence in ADA's growth potential. Diving deeper into the ITB's chart demonstrated that the total addresses in the Cardano network are steadily rising. Oh yeah, the cream is rising. There are currently 4.44 million addresses with a balance. On the other hand, a zero balance wallet stood at 37.51 million, bringing the total to 41.95 million. Hey, we're all holding on to some CNFTs, right? We're all part of that equation. Does NAMI count? Recent developments. The whale activity comes against the backdrop of several developments on the Cardano ecosystem. The network got its first ever Oracle integrator, dubbed Charlie 3 this month. You can read up a little bit more about that. In a series of network improvements and features, the Cardano blockchain also got a boost from Paima Studios' release of the new cross-chain network integration, enabling users to play on-chain games using ADA tokens. Wow, that's awesome. The new feature also allows users of other networks to play Cardano-based games. Let's go. That's going to be big for the CNFT space. Let's go. Take a shot every time I say let's go, or not. If you want to read a little bit more about some of the other articles to follow, you got this one right here. You got this one right here, and we did our own little video on this one right here, the EVM compatible sidechain public testnet. Oh, we are doing some things in Cardano. Pay attention.